Good afternoon, children. In the last class, we had studied various sports competitions and globalization of sports. Today, we are going to study game materials and toys. Open your textbook page number 14A. Children, we are very familiar with the toys. Actually, what is mean by toys? Toys means it is an equipment for the entertainment and education of children. Such equipments are called toys. Many clay toys have been found in archaeological excavations in different parts of India and different parts of the world. They are made either by hand or mold. How they are made? Either by hand or used some mold. In the ancient Indian literature also, dolls are mentioned. A Sanskrit play means drama written by Shudraga is named as Mrichakadiga. That means a clay cart. Next, do you know? Kadasarik Sagar, an ancient Sanskrit text, mentioned about very interesting descriptions of games and toys. There are descriptions of flying dolls also. It also mentioned that on pressing a key, some dolls used to fly, some used to dance, some used to make sound. Children, ancient people used advanced technology for making toys even in that period. In India, there are regional traditions of making dolls. For example, the wooden dolls made in Maharashtra were known as Takki. Likewise, other states in India also have the tradition of making such dolls. Next topic, toys and history. Toys can throw light on history and technological development. In the above paragraph, we learned that many toys have been found in the archaeological excavation. Through these dolls and toys, we can get a glimpse of cultural and religious traditions of different regions. For example, in Maharashtra, during Diwali celebration, models of fort and clay images of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and his soldiers and also animals are used to place on these fort. This tradition keeps the memory of importance of fort in the history of Maharashtra. Next paragraph. During the excavation at Pombi in Italy, an ivory doll made by Indian craftsmen were found. It was dated 1st century. It threw light to Indo-Roman trade relation. So, the toys which found in the archaeological excavation can tell us about cultural and trade contact between nations in the ancient period of time. Next topic, sports, literature and movies. First of all, we are going to study literature and books which is written on sports. In India and worldwide, many books are published on sports. Example, the history of Malkamba has been recently published. An encyclopedia published on exercises. It describes about all types of exercises. Some years ago, there was a sports magazine named Shatkar. There are lots of literature available in English language also on sports. Some children and also we know some television channels exclusively means specially devoted to sports. So from all this we come to understand sports have a much importance not only in India and worldwide. Next paragraph, we are going to see some movies related with sports. Recently, some movies on sports and biography of players have been released in various languages. For example, the film Mary Kom. Children, you know who is Mary Kom? She was the first Indian female boxer to participate in the Olympics and won bronze medal. The movie called Mary Kom. And another movie, Dangal, is based on the life story of Fogan sisters, who were the first Indian female wrestlers to win gold medal in various international competitions. These are some examples of sports movies. Now children, next paragraph. The process of making movie is not very easy. So those who are making movie, they must have a deep study and knowledge in the particular period of movie, language, dressing style, social life, etc. At the same time, knowledge of history of sports is essential for writing articles in various publications like encyclopedia, newspaper, sports magazine, etc. Children, this is one of the important professional opportunity in this field. Today we stop here. In the next class, we will study sports and professional opportunities. Complete your assignment.